Whether you have a brand new Bronco or one that's still on stock wheels and tires, sometimes you just need your ride a bit higher. That's where this ReadyLift SST kit will get you the height you need to get to the next step in your build. This high payload kit is a great addition to your new Bronco. It's specifically engineered for overlanders, those with rooftop systems, heavier bumpers, and cargo management systems. Basically, any Bronco that will operate regularly with a heavier payload. This kit comes with 2 front strut spacers, 2 rear strut spacers, and the hardware pack to install it. They are CNC machined from aircraft grade 6060 T6 billet aluminum. And with the location of the spacers, they can be hit with mud, water, dirt, and more. But being made out of aluminum, there is no worry about rust. This ReadyLift kit is a 2 to a 2.5 inch lift from stock. It's going to give you the clearance you need for bigger wheels and tires. The engineering team at ReadyLift have designed these strut spacers with the correct geometry, so the suspension works without any issues to give it maximum lift without binding the tie rod or ball joint. It's important to note that this kit is designed specifically for the new Ford Bronco, but it will not work with Broncos that have the Badlands, Wildtrak, or First Edition models. There is another option available from ReadyLift for the Broncos with stock lifts already installed. There is no cutting or modifications to install this kit. It's completely bolt-on. However, this is not a typical DIY installation. Without the proper tools, it can be difficult. You will need a spring compressor and other tools you may not have. So we do recommend clicking the link at the top of the screen to find the shop where you can have it installed. If you're interested in purchasing the ReadyLift SST lift kit for high payload or looking to have it installed, check out our store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.